Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have another healthcare work from home job lead for you. Now, this one will require a little bit of phone work, but it is not inbound phone calls where you have to take calls from customers. It is you picking up the phone and making outbound phone calls. So we will get to that in just a minute. Just know if you're interested in applying, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below the video. But today's job lead is from the company Ensemble Health Partners. They are hiring a financial clearance specialist. Now, this is remote nationwide within the United States. But they are looking for a financial clearance specialist to provide world-class customer service and follow scripted benefit verification format in the benefit screen. So you will basically be assigning insurance plans accurately to patients' accounts. You'll perform electronic eligibility confirmation, which means online on the website, and document the results. So in the healthcare field, you can check electronically online the insurance benefits in the patient's plan to see how much of a copay, deductible, all of those things that they have. You'll verify that their insurance is active and what their actual plan is. You'll calculate their patient cost or their share or liability, and then you're going to call them. This is where the outbound phone calls come in. You will make a phone call to them and attempt to collect their portion via the phone within 48 hours of the date of service. Now, I have had this happen to me before, and it was a very smooth process. So my daughter needed an MRI, and a day or two before her appointment, they called me saying, your insurance is estimated to pay this much, and you're going to owe this much because you have a deductible. And so they asked for a credit card over the phone. They wanted me to go ahead and pay my deductible and my portion up front before my daughter was seen. So that's kind of what you're going to be doing. You're going to run the insurance, you're going to do all the calculations, and then you will take and make an outbound phone call to the patient, letting them know what they are going to owe for their upcoming appointment and try to go ahead and collect that payment. Now, they do not require any college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They're looking for someone who understands admission, billing payments, and denials, someone who knows medical terminology, and someone who is customer service oriented and has great communication skills. Now, one thing to note, it does say CRCR required within 6 months of hire. I'm not sure what kind of certification that is, but it looks like they give you 6 months to get certified in whatever it is after you get the job. Unfortunately, this position did not list the pay. That's always dependent on location and experience and will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.